So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you want to use a concealer to prime the eyelids. All right, so today I'm going to use the Essence. It's the Fire one, and I'm using this color right here. When you apply your eyeshadow, you want to make sure that the color that you're going to use to set the concealer is very close to the skin tone. That way you can't really tell a difference, but if you can, it's not too much. Like this one. See, this one is not, it's not too bad. I could have gone even a little bit lighter. This eyeshadow brush is picking up that color really good. And the eyeshadow brush I'm using is from Dibs, and it's the double-sided one. This one right here, see? And I'm literally just blending this out. This is what I called my backdrop. Some people will call it your base color. You can call it however, whichever works for you. So now you're going to start bringing in colors as you go. So after using this, I'm going in with a eyeshadow fluffy brush. That's a brush just look like this. And I'm going in with a little bit more orangey tone just to kind of warm up this color a little bit more. And you're going to place this on the outer V of the eyes. And you can even apply, if you notice, I'm going a little bit higher. And this is just going to make my eyes look a little bit more open. So if you have hooded eyes, this is really a good way to apply this eyeshadow because you're not going to focus it just right here and make the eyes look like it's closed down. All right. So now I'm going in with this again. This has a little rust, like a rusty orange, but I'm going to apply this just on the lids, and I'll tell you why. Once a color has shimmer in it, you want to keep it just on the lid area because it's going to look really, really weird if you're applying shimmery color all the way up to the brow. You don't want to do that. And if you want to, take you a detail brush and you can go in with a little deeper brown. This is more like a brown tone. And I'm going to apply this right on the outer V, like even more precise. You notice I went with a detail brush just because I want this color to be precise. This eyeshadow look would be very pretty for anybody who have blue eyes. Honestly, this would really bring out those blues. All right, I'm going to take the brush that I used earlier and then just blend out just to make sure there are no harsh lines in your eyeshadows. Actually, I'm going to be using the Dibs Mascara. I'll start with the tubing brown. You want to take your eyeshadow and the brush from Dibs, and you want to get that color that you did on the outer V. Remember, this color has a shimmer in it, so you can use it on the bottom of the lash line on the outer V, but don't go anywhere higher than that with these colors that have shimmers in them. So beginner friendly, very nice. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell